What's up, PC Bros? This is order number 10,000 right here. So thank you guys for getting us to 10,000 orders in just the matter of 3 years.
Shout out to Julian. You ordered an awesome PC, which is our i3-10105 esports gaming PC, but we couldn't just ship out a normal PC for our 10,000th order. We decided to upgrade you to the i3-12100F and RX 6650 XT, taking you from an entry-level esports PC to a full-fledged gaming tower.
And on top of that, we decided just to give you RGB RAM too, because that normally doesn't come with that. And of course, going 12th gen, you had to get a new motherboard, so H610. So this thing now has a great upgrade path. You could go up to like a 13th gen i5 or even i7 if you wanted to. And that 6650 XT is definitely no slouch for gaming. 1080p, 1440p, it'll definitely do it. And also, I did have a fun phone call with him. He wants us to sign the PC, so we got to do it for him. Yeah, I just wanted to thank you for placing an order with us and let you know that you happened to be our 10,000th order. Yeah, so we're gonna do something a little special. We were going to, I didn't know if you already had a graphics card for this computer, but we were planning on upgrading it with one.
Oh wow, I appreciate that. No, this is actually my very first computer. I had no idea what I was doing, so I was trying to look out, and I seen one of your guys' videos. I know I've been watching for a while, but I didn't realize it. And I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna try to order it, and I'm gonna just trust the process.
Yeah, no, it was definitely a good time. Yeah, so we're gonna do a I don't know if you're familiar with the card, but an AMD RX 6650 XT. And then normally that build didn't come with RGB RAM, so we're gonna throw in RGB RAM. And that build did come with a 10th gen i3, but we're gonna be upgrading it to a 12th gen i3, so it's a little more, future proof. So it'll be a 12100F instead of the 10105. And then we're gonna, that does come with a board upgrade too, which would be a H610 instead of like a H410 or a B460. And I think we're gonna build it actually tomorrow morning on stream. We stream it, it'd probably be kind of early for you because I think you're in California. But we usually go live around 9 a.m. Eastern Standard, so I think it'd be like 7 for you. But of course, it's on Twitch. It's twitch.tv/ToastyBros, so there would be a VOD if you felt like watching the build process or anything.
Oh, of course.
Well, awesome. Well, thank you for being a good customer and everything. We appreciate it.
Well, honestly, I appreciate you even reaching out. I know I had just got off of work, so
Yeah.
I'm running around a little busy. No, I really do appreciate that. I'm sure you can tell how excited I am. Just getting
Yeah, no, you're good. Yeah, no, I'm excited to get you something, especially that'll, game really well too. So yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. I really do appreciate it.
Yeah, all right, man. Well, like I said, we look forward to building it, and we'll get it shipped out hopefully tomorrow.
Okay, it was good talking to you. I'm sure we'll be watching the stream.
All right, thank you. You too. Bye. Sweet, that went well.
Cool. So yeah, we'll give them a signature, get this PC out to you, and if you guys want to buy a PC, definitely go to PCBros.tech today because we're running our December sale right now for 5% off all PCs, 25% off all merch, and $100 off our professional streamers. So head on over to the website today and take advantage of those deals.
All right, let's get this thing signed.